Guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about how to find blog post titles that rank best on Google using ChatGPT. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So here we are on this chat.openai.com. So you might have been hearing about this chat GPT and its multiple vast usages. So here we can use it to generate some SEO optimized content for your website. So this can help you to drive huge traffic to your website. So you can just go to this website and just click on the login or sign up. So if you already have an account, you can log into this. So I can just find something like this, and here we can just generate anything. Like, let's say that we can ask it to write a blog post on some so and so content. So you can ask it to write a blog post on healthy lifestyle healthy lifestyle. So you can see it doing it in no time. Here you can see that how it generated all the 6 points, and it just described each and every point with a paragraph. So it is very neat and clean, and you want to change the tone of this answer. So you can ask it to make it something like make it in a friendly tone. You can ask this. So here it will be again making it this rephrasing this entire blog post that it generated in a friendly tone, and you can even make it in something like a professional tone or the business tone. So these are all possible with the chat GPT. So you can just make it something like use generate in a professional tone. And here you can see that it is generating it in a much professional way. So it will be rephrasing things and your content based upon your inputs. So you can generate your content in many different ways by using this chat gpt. So if you want to do in such a way, it would be time taking for you to give different prompts. So here I have one prompt and again another prompt. So to reduce this, there is another extension that you can use. So that extension is AIPRM for ChatGPT. So click on this. So this is a Chrome extension that you can install on your Chrome. So let's click on this, and you have to add it to your Chrome. So it is asking for this add extension, and once it is done, so it will be installed on your Chrome. Now this AIP RM for Chat GPT has been successfully added to your Chrome, and now we can just click on the continue, and let's see what it shows up. So you need to sign in for this AIP RM. Let's click on connect with Google account, and let's click on connect with Google. You need to verify your email address by clicking on the link. So let us do that also. After you install this AIP RM, you'll see something like this once you successfully sign up. So here we have this topic that you can choose. Let's say that I want to choose something like copywriting, and here I want to choose something that could generate a title for my blog post, and activity, let it be all. And now let me just click on this blog post title generator. So once we want to try this prompt out, we can just see something like this, and again we can even do this copywriting part. And here we could find our title generator. So here we have this, and here after you just choose this blog post title generator, we need to choose on which language you want this title to be. I want it to be English. And then the tone, so you have other tones, so let it be to be the default, because other things are for the upgrade. And the writing style, so you can keep it to be default. And keywords that you want for creating this title. So it is a healthy lifestyle one, so we can give healthy lifestyle and go for it. And here you can see that this will be generating you all these titles that are possible with our output, like our tone and the writing style and the keywords that we mentioned. So here I got the 10 titles that are suggested for my blog post. So which one should you choose among these 10? You need to go to this keyword planner from Google. So once you click on this, go to this keyword planner, you need to go for this discover new keywords. Click on this, and we'll get back to this chat GPT, and we need to copy all these 10 titles that we are having. So copy them and paste them over here, and now click on get results so that we get results of each of this keyword, so which would rank better with the competition, and the impression share and this all the details of each of the keyword. So you can see them over here. So all those keywords with low competition and monthly greater monthly searches, you can see them. So by using this, you can just choose which title you can give to your blog post to rank better on Google. This is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.